the new mindset right now for entrepreneurs, no, is called prosperity for all.
Can you expand that, Coach?
Okay. So, the thing around the traditional business, right? Let's say, chain of hotels,
Okay.
right? Versus Airbnb. So, kung ikaw ang negosyante, anong gusto mo? Ikaw may-ari ng chain of hotels or Airbnb?
Kung ako negosyante, siguro, kasi alam ko Airbnb.
Exactly.
Diba? Oh.
Right? Now, here's the thing. Sa chain of hotels, pag kumita yung owner, halos lahat ng kita saan napunta? Sa employee, sa community, or sa owner?
Sa owner.
Exactly. That's profit for me. I have to protect every inch of the way para mapasa ko sa next generation. And we have to squeeze everyone. Minimum wage ka lang.
Yeah.
May increase ka 5%. That's the traditional way. But whereas, let's say, Airbnb, right? So, sino kumita sa Airbnb?
Si Airbnb.
Sino pa?
Si host.
Si host, sino pa?
And then si advertisers rin.
Advertisers, sino pa?
Yung users rin kasi
users nakatipid.
Nakatipid.
Pero si host, merong hinahire na manang na naglilinis. Na dati, ang income lang yan, say 5,000 naman. O ngayon, kada linis, may 500.
Yeah.
Gumanda ang buhay.
Oh.
Right? Yung community na nakapalibot doon sa Airbnb, delivery, Grab.
Food.
So, it's giving economy to all. And in return, the biggest winner is also the one who's creating that economy.